Well, warmer air was seen across the UP and for most of Michigan throughout the afternoon, but this won't last long for us as we head over the next few hours, or over the next 24 hours, shall I say that. We'll notice another cold front come through and start to bring us some more Arctic air as we head into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. But for right now, 4 degrees warmer at this time than what we were yesterday in Marquette, 6 degrees warmer in Iron Mountain, and over at Sault Ste. Marie, 6 degrees warmer as well. What we will also be dealing with throughout the evening, more snow. That will continue to increase as this next disturbance pushes its way in. It will start to grab some of the moisture from the lakes and also grab some Gulf of Mexico moisture. That will all work its way northward, and we'll be looking out between what it looks like 1 to 3 inches of snow as we head throughout the overnight, and expect most of that to be out of here by sometime around noon tomorrow. Let's take a look at our current conditions. We are at 27 degrees and mostly cloudy. Winds have been breezy. We are at 18 right now. And as we take a look at temperatures across the region, 27 in Marquette off to the west, lower 30s in Ironwood at 30 degrees on the dot, 29 in Crystal Falls, and also at 29 in Ontonagon. Off to the east, 27 in Munising, 28 in Escanaba, and sitting at 27 in Ishpeming. Here are our winds coming in from the south, and we'll continue to see more of that south flow as we head throughout the remainder of the night. 13 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, 10 in Houghton, while at 20 in Marquette. And look at temperatures across the state, really starting to heat those numbers up. 32 down into Flint, 30 down in Grand Rapids, and seeing more of the 30s here also in the UP. But because of the strong winds, current wind chills are in the teens. 19 in Iron Mountain, 14 in Marquette, and at 19 in Escanaba. So let's go ahead and take a look at our headlines as snow showers will pick up as we head throughout the rest of the night. Colder air rushes in as we go into Thursday evening. It looks like during the morning we will still have the upper 20s and the lower 30s, but as the day progresses, expect that cool Arctic air to rush its way in right behind the disturbance, and that will knock numbers now more to the middle teens as we get ready to head home from work. And a quick warm-up is on the way as we get into Saturday, as temperatures will bump back up closer to what looks like the middle 20s before really cooling off as we head into next week. But this is our setup. It looks like that cooler air is going to bring, that cool air will arrive after the snow pushes through, and throughout the rest of our Thursday, seeing that snow will be out of here by the noon hours, and maybe a few flurries early on tomorrow evening before really starting to see things taper off in terms of the snow. And here's a look at your Futurecast model. Mostly cloudy tonight, but then here comes the snow as we go into the late evening hours, seeing that the snow does continue on into the morning, and then by the afternoon, a few leftover flurries will be around before tomorrow night. It looks like temperatures drop back below zero for overnight lows, and then we'll be looking out for more light snow heading closer to the weekend. But here's a look at your tonight forecast. We'll be at 22 degrees, south winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and heading into Thursday, that colder air will be arriving, and the winds picking up from the northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Here's a look at your high temperatures, 28 in Lawrence, at 32 in Crystal Falls, and 32 in Munising. Your bus stop forecast, watch out for the snow tomorrow morning. If you are going to be driving the kids to school, just take it a little slowly. South winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And for your 7-day forecast, highs in the 20s tomorrow, dropping back down to the lower teens by Friday, and then a slight warm-up heading into Saturday with highs back in the upper teens, but more light snow throughout the weekend, and then really seeing the bottom fall out on Sunday and Monday with highs only in the upper single digits.